This is a video of my Sony Bravia TV, the W5100 52-inch model that will not turn on properly. I hit the power button and it goes to the Bravia, and then the green goes to red. Hit the power again and the red goes out. Hit the power again and we're staying red. Hit the power again and it goes out. Well, now I'm going to hit the power on the side of the unit, which is over here, and it is doing nothing. Oh, now it's going out. Now it's going red. Still red. Now it's out. It's still red. It's not coming on. Now I'm going to come back here and disconnect the power. And now I'm going to plug the power back in. And now I'm going to hit the button.
They were so fat that you feel like walking like this.
And now we have TV. And that's what's wrong with my TV.